What you are seeing here is a lawn being aerated. This is called core aeration. Have you ever had your lawn aerated before? Are you familiar with what aeration does for your lawn? Now is the time. The benefits of core aeration loosens compacted soil and increases the availability of water and nutrients, which enhances the oxygen levels in the soil, stimulates roots growth, and enhances the activity of thatch decomposing organisms, so that your lawn looks healthy with a stronger root base. Core aeration can be done twice a year in late spring and in the fall. The best results would be in the spring, so don't stall. Make us your first call for your irrigation and lawn aeration needs by calling 813-570-7804.